Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's our sum is the product of two numbers is 3276 if their HCF is 6. Find their LCM. Let's see the solution. What are given that? Product of two numbers is 3276. The product of two numbers is 3276. And HCF is 6. HCF is 6. Find their LCM. You find the LCM. What? See, we know that HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. HCF is 6 into LCM is equal to product of two numbers is 3276. So next, here 6 is multiple with LCM. So 6 is changed to right hand side. Then their 6 is divided to 3276 by 6. How many times 6 is cancelled in 3276? 6 5s are 30 and again 27, 6 4s are 24 and again 6 6s are 36. So LCM is 546. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.